Hello everyone, welcome to my channel PCTech. Today I will show you how to get Internet Explorer to bikes in Windows 11. As you know, Microsoft informed us that there is screen disable Internet Explorer in Windows 11. Even if you download the AE setup file and run install in Windows 11, it's lost working. So what do we do if some website only working well in Internet Explorer Pro? Now I will show you how to get Internet Explorer most in Windows 11. Although it is the most is working as a real IE Pro. First you will go to setting, app, optional feature. Here you check Internet Explorer most installed or lost. If it is installed, you can see in install feature like that. If lost, you can search Internet Explorer most and you see this feature installed. If not yet installed, you go to add an optional feature and search Internet Explorer and install it. Because I already installed, so it's not appear in here. Okay, after installing IE mode, you turn on Explorer. Okay, after install IE mode, you turn on Explorer. You go to feature table, setting, default Pro. You change allow site to reload in Internet Explorer mode to allow and restart Pro. Now I access one website, example Microsoft. You go to feature table and select reload in Internet Explorer mode. Have a load this with content. This app it opens in Internet Explorer mode. If you always want open this site in IE mode, each time you access, you will turn on this and done. And you see have an icon IE in here. It means this website opens in Internet Explorer mode. Is this IE mode you click opens in Microsoft Edge. Okay, I will show you how to get IE to bikes in Windows 11. It's easy to do it. If you see my video and this support useful for you, please like, video, subscribe my channel. Thank you.